Hello there, Curtis back with AffinityBots. Yesterday, I created a demo on creating your first agent with AffinityBots. We created an email manager agent, we connected Gmail, and we sent out our first message all in about 2 to 3 minutes. And today I wanted to take that just one step farther and create another agent and show you guys about the smart tables that we have. So our smart tables are like a Google Sheets or an Excel document, except right here in the app. So fully accessible to your agents. Uh, you can actually import a table and your agent will have full control over that. Your agent can create tables, create columns, rows, obviously, remove rows. So it's pretty awesome. I am going to show you guys exactly how that works. It is excellent for lead or CRM management. So let's say we're going to create an agent that searches Google Maps. We're going to use Google Maps today uh, for potential leads. Let's say potential local leads for my AI automation agency, which I have an AI automation agency here in Portland, Oregon. Then research the leads and place them into a smart table. So yesterday we didn't make this detailed of a prompt. Today we are. This way it'll build it right into the prompt from the get-go. We don't have to actually put in anything later. And of course, if we did need to, again, we can, if you didn't see the video, we do have an AI editor here that you can edit your prompt with at any point in time, add, remove anything that you want to. So here it is. It's going to start building out our prompt. While it's doing that, let's go ahead and go over to our tools and connect some of our tools here. So again, I already had Google Maps connected or authenticated, which was just simply a sign-in. Most of these integrations are all OAuth or just simple sign-in, so it's very, very easy. Let's go ahead and do our smart tables. So, and in our smart tables, you can have granular access here, which is actually super important for your automations, especially when there's multiple agents. You do not want your agent to just be able to do anything in there. You want it to be one or two specific things. But today we'll just connect everything, and let's go ahead and come over and try it. So let's check out the prompt real quick first. Let's say, so we're in Portland, AI agency, perfect. All right, okay. Let's go ahead and try it. So let's have it first build the table. So create a table for a local leads list. You will be doing personalization. Research. So create the appropriate, just go back real quick and scoring. So create the appropriate columns for a good list. Okay. Let's see what it does. I think that will do a pretty darn good job. All right. Well, it didn't actually show us what columns. It usually does do that. Let's just go over here and see what it did. Wow, 27 columns. So let's see here, ID, business name, industry, description, zip maps, URLs, email, sizes, services list, all right, review sentiments, automation opportunities, score. All right, so it created us a really good table here. Let's go back over to our run here and say, great, now go find a dozen or so good real estate agencies in, I don't even need to say Portland. I do need to spell it right though. Agencies, or I really don't, but I am a little bit OCD. So go find a dozen or so good real estate agencies, and we'll just say do that for now. Just find them for now. No research, because we want them to do it next. I mean, of course, it could research and find them at the same time. That really wouldn't be an issue. Just the quality of the result wouldn't be as well as it could be. So let's see here. So it got us 5. We can continue and find 7 more. Let's go ahead and start doing some research on these 5. So let's go do some research on the first 3. We'll do the first 3 at a time. Put everything you find in the table you created. Be thorough. Boom. All right. Let's see what we get here. All right. So it's going to run a bunch of different tools. And here we go. Okay, so some of it didn't find, but to be fair, I think it only searched actually in Google Maps, and that was probably my fault. That was 100% my fault because I didn't actually give it a search tool. So let's go ahead and try that again. Let's give it a search tool and go back and say, try again, use your web search tool this time. Combine info, you get the best results. All right, here we go. Okay, so it's going to call a bunch of tools here again. Start doing some research. Oh, and just while it's doing that, you can actually drop these pills down here, or these chips down, and see what it's actually doing. If you want to, that you can always do that on each and every chip here, so you can see exactly what happened with each and every one. Okay, here we go. So we've got Lovejoy Real Estate. I know for sure that's a Portland company. They are right up the street from me. And here we go. Stephen Fitzmaurice, top 1%. Okay, let's go ahead and see if it put it in our table. All right, cool. We've got Lovejoy Real Estate, locally owned. We've got some good links. We've got some review counts. We've got AI opportunities there. All right, cool. So we could go ahead and do, I don't know, let's say, okay, do the last 2. Do the last 2. And then we'll sum up this demo after this here. We'll do those last two. We're not going to do a dozen different ones. I think you guys get the point here. It's pretty darn powerful. Wait until I show you guys the multi-agent collaboration. It's really awesome when you start getting agents that are able to research and put clients into tables, and another agent that's able to read them out of tables and do personal outreach and send emails, and it gets really cool. So here we go. It just did the other two. Let's go over to our tables. Now we've got 5 rows. It did just as good of a job. I can only assume. Didn't get the phone numbers on those ones. That's okay. You could really you could go right back through and say, hey, grab these phone numbers, do a little bit extra research, go deeper, find these phone numbers. It'll find them if they're available. And then the next step would be like a LinkedIn enrichment or something like that. Okay, guys. Well, that is our Portland AI Automation Lead Finder. This is a little bit of a longer demo, but I think we definitely went through some really cool stuff here. If you've liked what you've seen up to this point, stay tuned. I am going to just keep releasing demo after demo after demo, and they're just going to keep getting cooler, in my opinion. I love the concept of agents, and I firmly believe that agents are the future of work. And I would love to see everyone in AffinityBots. You can go and sign up now. There is a free tier available. It's pretty generous, and just go play around. Go build these agents yourself. It's very easy, very intuitive, and I am always actually available to help at any point. I'm actually live right there in the app more often than not. Thank you so much.